Hi, it's Yuki. How you guys doing? Today, we are going to review the Japanese exam when it comes to I am plus a noun and you are plus a noun. First of all, if you don't know about the grammar, you can learn about it in this video. Also, if you haven't taken the exam, I need you to take it first because I'm going to use the exam to explain it. So please take it first. You can take the exam from here. Well, are you ready? Let's get started. それじゃ、行ってみよう。First of all, in the exam, you have to select a Japanese sentence that matches the specified English sentence. Then, the first sentence is that I'm Naruto, and the options are here. Naruto です。Naruto じゃないですよ。Well, this one. Naruto じゃないですよ。This sentence is negative form and it means I'm not Naruto, so it's not correct. Accordingly, this one is correct. Naruto です。I'm Naruto. The second sentence is that I'm an English teacher. And the options are here. 英語の先生ではありません。英語の先生です。Then, this one. 英語の先生ではありません is a negative form and it means I'm not an English teacher. So, this one is correct. 英語の先生です。I'm an English teacher. The third sentence is that I'm not a student, and the options are here. 学生、学生ではないよ。Then, this sentence, 学生 is not a negative form and it means I'm a student. Incidentally, when you are asked if you are a student or not, you can answer like that. For example, 学生? うん、学生. Something like that. However, in the question, this one is correct. 学生ではないよ。I'm not a student. The fourth sentence is that I'm Sasuke, and the options are here. サスケって言います。サスケではありません。Well, this sentence, サスケではありません is a negative form and it means I'm not Sasuke, so it's not correct. Then, when you say your name, you can say って言います So this one is correct. サスケって言います I'm Sasuke. The fifth sentence is that I'm a web designer, and the options are here. ウェブデザイナーをしています。ウェブデザイナーと言います。As I mentioned, と言います is used when you say your name. When you introduce your job, you cannot use it, so this sentence is wrong. Then, when you introduce your job, you can say をしています Consequently, this one is correct. ウェブデザイナーをしています I'm a web designer. The sixth sentence is that I'm Tundra, and the options are here. 炭治郎をしています。炭治郎です。As I mentioned, when you introduce your job, you can use をしています。But when you say your name, you cannot use it, so this sentence is wrong. Accordingly, this one is correct. 炭治郎です。I'm Tanjiro. The seventh sentence is that Yes, I'm a high school student, and the options are here. はい、高校生です。はい、高校生をしています。This question might be tricky. をしています It's used when you introduce your job, but there are some Japanese people who say 高校生をしています However, it sounds a little bit unnatural. So when you say I'm a student in Japanese, it's better to use this. Then this sentence is correct. はい、高校生です。Yes, I'm a high school student. The eighth sentence is that no, I'm not a singer. And the options are here. いいえ、歌手ではありません。歌手じゃないよ。First of all, the question requires a polite way. Actually, both of them have the same meaning. This sentence is polite, and this sentence is casual. So, this one is correct. いいえ、歌手ではありません。No, I'm not a singer. The ninth sentence is that no, I'm not an animator. And the options are here. いや、アニメーターじゃないよ。いえ、アニメーターじゃないですよ。First, a casual way is required. Both of them have the same meaning. This sentence is polite, and this sentence is casual. So, this one is correct. いや、アニメーターじゃないよ。No, I'm not an animator. The last sentence is that I'm a nezuko, and the options are here. ねずこって言います。ねずこ。First, a polite way is required. Both of them have the same meaning. This sentence is polite, and this sentence is casual. So, this one is correct. ねずこって言います。I'm a ねずこ。We have reviewed the Japanese exam when it comes to I am plus a noun and you are plus a noun. How was that? I hope it's helpful for your studies. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section in this video. Of course, if you like this lesson, please don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. それじゃ、いってらっしゃい。